Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OTTV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like a few weeks worth of time. It's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Friday, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. And I want to get the chart updated here, as it was a good day for the bulls. Now, you may be thinking, what do you mean it was a good day? The price really didn't do too much. Well, you got to consider context, and the context and the fact of the matter is that, leading up until today, it was pretty much all bears all the time. Just down, 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 the price went. And then you couple that with the fact with Friday, where things really kind of, just collapsed that much more. And going into today, it was a very rational, very valid question. Are the bears just getting ready to really just, kind of crush this thing? And this is my opinion, but I don't know about you, but when prices go sideways like this, I would not consider that a stock being crushed by the bears. Sideways, not exactly bearish. Now, maybe you're saying, well, geez, you're setting the bar kind of low to call sideways price action bullish. Again, but that's why I wanted to go over context. Within the context of things, sure, maybe it is setting the bar kind of low that sideways is considered bullish. But what's the alternative? The price getting absolutely crushed to the downside. So the bulls definitely had a very good day with the sideways price action. Now, don't get me wrong. I wish I could sit here and I wish trading was this easy and I could say, well, because the price went sideways, this is guaranteed to bounce up to 006 tomorrow. Markets don't work like that. No such thing as a guarantee. However, for anybody to question and say, hey, maybe the bulls are chipping away at a bottom. Maybe the selling is finally over. Is it over? Nobody knows. Charts are not a crystal ball. But it's a very rational, question to be asking right now because of how the price has reacted with the price going sideways. So is it the bottom? Hey, it very well could be. It would not be shocking at all to see some sort of bounce in the upwards direction. But again, that by no means is guaranteed because the markets, unfortunately, are not that easy. But to question it and to think, yeah, more than rational. Now, in the event there is going to be any sort of, worthwhile bounce that gets started, it's all about the 003 mark, which is that red line I mapped out. You can see that's essentially right where it got rejected today. So that'll be key area of resistance going into tomorrow. And then key level of support, as I talked about on Friday, nothing has changed there, right down there at the 0021, 002 area. So nice price action today. Bulls trying to level things off. So we'll see if this is the start of a bottoming out formation or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.